Zebra's Enterprise Mobility Developer Kit, also known as EMDK, provides tools for developing applications to run on Zebra mobile devices using Xamarin or Android development tools. It provides class libraries, sample code, and sample applications. With these tools, you will be able to create powerful enterprise applications to run on Zebra Android devices. EMDK includes Profile Manager, which extends the Android Studio and Visual Studio with a graphical user interface tool that creates the code in your application to access Zebra features such as scanning and RFID. Profile Manager helps the developer with reduced code, fewer errors, and shorter development time. Most Android application developers use Android Java for development. However, there are a lot of C# developers. EMDK provides tools for using Java as well as C# in Android and Xamarin environment. EMDK tools provide access to Zebra features such as scanners, secure near-field communication, also called secure NFC, device management, and device security. EMDK is applicable for all environments. EMDK targets all industries. Zebra devices are shipped with EMDK runtime. That means you don't have to install anything on the Zebra devices. For developing your applications on Mac or PC, you can download the EMDK from the Zebra support portal, install it on your PC, and start developing your applications right away.